Well, this is not necessarily my kind of thing, but I originally bought this car to get the pieces and stuff off of it, but I got to think about, shoot, all the oils and fluids and everything look good in it. Why not see if we can get the thing to crank? So here we are, trying to get it to crank. Here I am, taking all the plugs and everything out of it and turning them all over, making sure they've got some fluid and stuff in it. And so let's see.
Okay, so it's been about a week since I posted this other stuff up about this car. I've had a death in the family, so I've not been able to get out here and mess around, but I'm out here today, messing with this car, kind of clearing my mind too, though. I want to come out here to see if we can get this thing to start. So I got the big bar on here, and let's see here. Oh yeah, that thing's free as could be. So, so that thing is free, which is great. Now if I can just get that dang socket back on there. Goodness gracious. So, I wonder if it's that easy to turn, if I could take the little ratchet to where I can get off down in there with it. Maybe I can get it with it. Alright, so I got the 2 wrenches on here. I couldn't find a socket that would go in. Oh, look here. That thing's free as could be. That thing's free as all get out. That's really good. Probably no way it'll turn with that, but anyway, it's free. I've got the plugs out of it. Got the battery hooked up. I don't have the switch, so I have to bypass that in a minute and run me a hot wire over here from the battery to the coil, but I just want to see if it'll turn over now, so just do the old screwdriver trick and see if the starter or anything's locked up. Ooh, look at that. That starter is nasty looking. That thing will never, that ain't gonna work. Just noticed that. Nope, starter's completely toast. Now, why didn't I check that earlier? This is how come I do body work instead of mechanic work. Oh my gosh. So now I guess I got to see how much a starter is for this thing, because I really would like to see what it does. So, okay, well, son of a gun. Next time. All right, so that's a bummer. The starter's messed up, but I didn't even check the transmission fluid in this thing. Look at that, how clean this is. I still think this thing will run. Now, I might not get it running, but I think it'll run. I'm gonna call and find out how much a starter is. Okay, so I saved y'all the visual of a fat old ball man getting off down up in there and getting that dang starter put in there, but I finally got it in there. And no curse words are involved, but a lot of grease and grunting. So let's see. Let's see what we got. Now, I didn't jump it over. I just want to see if it's going to turn over. And if it'll turn over, I think it'll crank. Sooner or later, let's see. Oh, look at that. Hey, that thing turned right over. Ain't got no plugs in it. Let's hit that again. Let's do it again. Oh, just cuts again. Come on. I say that it turned right over. Let's put the plugs in it and see if it'll run. All right, so I'm back here on the 65. Lord, I feel like I've been bumping around and jumping around, but one thing mess up, another one won't. So I took it off there. Couldn't get no fire earlier. Took the distributor cap off. Got me some 320 sandpaper. Sanded my points and stuff. I got my hot wire hooked up on the right side. And watch this. This baby should crank. Don't try this at home. Let's see. Give old girl a little drink. Trusty key. Universal key. If I wasn't here by myself, I'd be drilling it. Ha! That thing will start. Thing will start. to me that started. Heck yeah. We're getting there. Closer. I've got me a little jug over here on the side. I don't know if the fuel pump's gonna make it work or not, but we're seeing here. It's kind of fun. Not yet. It's too much fun. Well, I think maybe the fuel pump might be stopped up. So I'm gonna have to take the fuel filter off of it and see if that might be what it is. But hey, it runs. This is what I got set up down in here. So I'm gonna screw that thing right there off. I actually got one, and see if that thing's all jumped up.